Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart. So today here we are going to see a very useful thing that is available on Windows 10. That is, you can record your screen by a native app of Windows 10, that is Xbox. Well, Xbox is something like a gaming helping app or Xbox video games that are available in Windows 10. But this Xbox app can also be used for recording your screen if you want to. So it's a very useful app for people who want to record screen by using a native app of Windows 10. So straight away let us go to that Xbox app, how to do that. So there are two ways. Either you can type in the search bar in the bottom, as you can see here in the search bar, that is Xbox. As you can see here, there's something called Xbox game bar. You can click here. Once you do that, you'll go to this game bar. There is another method to do that also. Just type Windows G. So once you type Windows G, this Xbox game bar would come. So I'll show you now how to record screen using this. Here we go. You can see in this Xbox game bar, there's something called audio, capture, performance, Xbox social, all these things you can see. So first of all, let us go to settings. In the settings, you can see many things like general, accounts, widget, menu, shortcuts, personalization. There's something called capturing as well. So once you click on capturing, you can see our concerned things will be coming here, like show microphone recording notification, record in background while I'm playing game. I don't want to do that because it will anyway record my background and it will have an impact on my PC as well as on the memory of my PC. Audio to record game plus enabled mic. Okay, whatever I say as well as the game, all game enabled. Look here, everything this app says about game. The basic intention of this app is to record the games, but we can also use this to record any window or anything that comes in our screen. In general, I want to show you something like the videos that you want to record should be stored at a particular place or at a particular folder. By default, it stores in like my documents videos page, but you can edit your preference from here. And once you go here, you can like go to captures. Once you go to captures, it will show up. Yeah, save screenshots and game clips in window CCC. Instead of that, I can like browse this and open another folder where exactly I want to store that. So I can store it at desktop also, but for now let it be in the default location. You can, as I've already told you, how to change your recorded location by using this process. I'll just cross this, close this, I'll go back, close this, press Windows G again. So right now I'll show you how to record. So here you can see the second option, that is capture. Once you press this capture, this window will come up, that is capture window. You can see here. Yeah, this window will come up. So you have to just take a screenshot here, record last 30 seconds of your game here, like turn mic off while recording. You can change this option while recording as well. So I have to press this start recording here. So once I do that, you can even see the shortcut like Windows Alt plus R. So I'll start recording here. Once I do that, yeah, this window comes up, small dialog box comes up. As you can see here, the recording has already started. So here you can see turn off microphone, means this microphone is already on. I can turn on or turn off turn off and turn on my microphone by using this option. So I'll cross this for now. I'll record this screen. I'll just cross this, close this. So I'll do something on Google. Let me do something like cricket Wikipedia. So I've opened this. So you can see my voice would also be getting recorded. Hello, so I have opened this cricket Wikipedia. This article is about the sport. For the insect, see cricket insect. For your other users, see cricket this abbreviation. So I hope this sound is also getting recorded in this screen recorder app. So once I press stop, so it's saying press Windows G for Xbox game bar. I'll do that. So once I do that, this game bar has come. So I'll go to capture. Once I go to capture, you can see that show all captures. So as you can see, show all captures. I'll just press here, show all captures. You can see here this captures has come. All the recordings that you have recorded previously will also come up in this page. So I can play here. You can see.
Yeah, this window comes up. Small dialog box comes up.
So everything has got recorded here. Whatever I had said.
On Google, let me do something like I'll open one site. Let me see. My voice would also be getting recorded. Hello, so I have opened this cricket Wikipedia. This article is about the sport. For the insect, see cricket insect. For your other users, see cricket this.
So this is how you record, and you can go directly to this folder also to view your file. As I had said, show all captures. Open in File Explorer. Okay, directly it will open the folder where I had recorded. So this one, right? This is the Windows Media Player where I am watching this video.
So application and cricket. So I hope this sound is also.
So friends, this is how you record your screen on Windows 10 by using Xbox Game Bar. So the only demerit or downside of this app is you cannot record multiple windows. Since it is only intended for like recording games, which you are tricking it for recording screens. So if I minimize this and start recording, it won't record my screen. So only one window it can record, that is the current window. So just remember that you can only record this current window if you're using this Xbox app, but it could be very useful for many people to record the screen. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this. It was quite informative. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please share it, and please subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, see you again, see you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. We'll be coming up with more of such videos. Thank you.